water boiling right now. And we'll be back. We're gonna go do 8 eggs, y'all. Because nobody's gonna eat all these damn boiled eggs.
No, ya no. Ya te has comido 3. Ya no más. Ya no más.
Try that. Hey, so we're back with the eggs, the dye, and these little things to paint them with. We have a special guest, Riley. As you always see, she's on my videos. This is my niece, Miss Sabrina. Say hi. Okay. Okay, wait. We don't want to make a mess. So just wait, okay? Okay? Just wait. Say 1 minute. What? Half the time we don't know what she says, but we just go with it. Hey, Sugar Plum. We have Aubrey in the background. Next time we might need some scissors, but you know, I'm gonna try to work our magic. Let me see. I knew it was gonna need some type of vinegar. But I'm not worried about it. This is something to do. Keep them entertained, baby.
Wait, leave it.
This looks promising.
Wait till Titi comes back.
Okay. So I'm back. Sit down. No, sit down. I want to cut up. Sit back. This is dangerous. Remember I told you it's dangerous. Say dangerous. Aubrey, you're not old enough yet. Next year you will be though. We might have another special guest, Brandon. Hey, you don't touch that with your hand. Don't touch it with your hand, Brandon.
Who's that for?
Just to do it. You want to say hi to the camera?
Yeah.
Say hey, camera.
What are you doing?
We're gonna put it on YouTube. You wanna be on
You
YouTube?
want to be famous?
Why does it stain?
Because it's thing.
It's Wubbles.
A bubble. It's loud.
Okay, okay. Even there.
Wait, you're gonna color the eggs?
Yeah,
Yeah.
For what?
And then you're gonna eat them.
for YouTube.
I'm not gonna eat them.
You're not gonna eat my eggs I made? Ah, pues.
Are you gonna color them for what?
Yes. Get your egg.
Because it's fun.
Get your egg. Oh, it's too hot. Get your egg. Here, get the egg. Keep it here. Get it. Get it. It's yours. Get it. Get this. Get a color. I want blue. I want to paint my egg blue. I want to paint my egg blue. Yeah, put some color on it, Mama. Guys, look what she done did. She put the whole egg inside the dye. That's not how you supposed to do it, Riley. Comment down below, guys. That's not how you do it, Riley. Yes, it's on you. You gotta paint. Color it. Color it. Mira. No. Ay, ay, ay.
Kind of hot. What is it hot?
Like this way.
Because I'm barely made.
Like this one. You got to paint it. Color it. I should have said color it, huh? You want to do it too? Brandon, you got to get in the camera. Go on that side by Riley. Special guest Brandon. Woohoo! Say hi, YouTube.
You gotta say louder.
Hi, YouTube.
Don't be shy.
Super shy, guys. It's alright. We'll break them. We'll break them like we're gonna break these eggs when we're gonna eat them. But he doesn't want to eat the stinky eggs, he said.
Why is it hot?
Cause I just took them off the stove. You and Riley some babies. Riley's taking all the good colors and just messing them up.
I need a paper.
You can put it, when you dye it, put them in here.
Smells like paint.
Riley took all of the purple, guys. Riley took all of the purple, guys.
I'm gonna mix it.
That's fine. I did mine's mixed. Beautiful, Mara. Huh? Yes, I know, guys. Thank you. That would have been a nice thumbnail. Oh my gosh, guys. You're just making like a mess. Thank God we got this table cover, huh? Oh, Riley, you mixed the colors on this one. I thought I was going to have a sexy color. This looks like doo-doo. I should mix the colors like that, y'all. Got my egg looking like it just freshly came out of the hands booty hole. Looking like some doo-doo. The green didn't make it better. Huh, Aubrey? I feel so sad you can't do it. He's just looking at us like, Mom, what about me? I'm your daughter.
Such bad parenting.
Bad parenting, Dad. What are you doing?
Riley, move.
Enseñale a papá qué estás haciendo.
¿Huevos de verdad están haciendo?
Sí.
¿No se dañan de aquí a esa fecha?
Se lo van a comer cuando se seque la pintura.
I'm gonna eat it.
¿Cuándo?
Se
It's
lo
for
van a
you
comer cuando
too.
se le seque la pintura.
For
La pintura se le
YouTube.
seca en unos segundos.
¿Uno qué?
Segundos.
We're gonna get famous, Dad.
Oh, es para ahora, yo creí que por la fiesta de la nene.
Oh, no.
No, ew. Cochino.
Look at mine.
Oh, what? No, that's nice, y'all. That is nice. This one's nice. I would hella eat that one. That's mine. I'm gonna eat it.
No more eggs.
I know. Because Riley did hers all blue. Oh, this is a nice ass green, babe. Look at that green, y'all. It's nice. This all because of Riley. I give her props.
It's always sticky. There's no orange.
I have the last one. And I'm gonna make this all this colored. I think this was blue and green mixed together.
Paint this one.
Yeah, you still paint that one because that's the one you had and you didn't finish painting it.
I'm gonna paint this one. It's not even finished.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Mama.
Oh, my manager's finna be mad at me because I gotta cut pieces. I'm about to go to work with some dye on my hands, y'all. About to be like, I was dyeing eggs for YouTube. My kids want to dye eggs on YouTube. So I was like, okay. Oh, purple and red is so beautiful together. It's like a fuchsia.
Red fuchsia.
If you guys like this video, please give it 1 like. I said 1 like because you guys don't like my videos. So just give 1 like. And I'll tell you a story with a mukbang. I give you guys a mukbang in a story time.
Oh my god.
Comment down below what you want the story to be about. I have numerous stories. Give me a detail of how me and Edwin met, or what was our first thought of having a baby together, and how long did we wait before we have a baby? That's a good question. But the real may never know unless I get one
Oh!
like.
It cracked.
Yep, it's alright. It's edible dye. There's no more. Let's throw it away. Guys, that was the end of our video. We just wanted to give you a quick dive version of us being bored, you know. And see who made the beautiful eggs.
Oh, nigga.
Let me see, Riley. No, Riley. No, Riley. You did enough dye today.
Okay, leave him right there. Just leave him right there.
My turn.
Okay. Wait.
No.
Okay, now we
my-
gotta wash our hands.
Yep.
Ready?
Okay.
Don't squish it.
Gotta wash your hands.
Take him to the bathroom right now.
What egg you... Stop, Riley. Stop. YouTube's gonna see you get a whooping. Which egg you like better? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Comment down below which egg you like the bestest, and we'll do more. Bye.